So we're talking about R&D here, essentially. What I would suggest is that you have a iterative process in place between yourself and your offshore partner. That is that the offshore partner delivers something that you would expect on a weekly basis or every 2 weeks, half a month, once a month at the most. So that you can see often what's being delivered and rectify the requirements, because you may have a good idea from the get-go and have those requirements done right, but are these the right requirements? The only way to know that you have the right requirements is by seeing what the output is and reviewing it on a regular basis.